Got a question for you. What's with the Huggies box?
Oh, it's to hold my fuel.
Where'd you get it from?
Actually,
Someone with a baby?
when I ordered the tires, it came in that box.
Oh, geez, look at that suspension, right?
Yeah, it's like all inside, so it doesn't.
It's like the old Skidoos.
Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's just silly.
Second gear though. Yeah, it is. Oh, come on. There we go.
That's got jam. Wow. Oh. Ah. Oh.
If you can't, I can go get it out.
Oh, yeah.
If I go to the top of that hill, I'll drop down.
Nice.
Do it! I want to do it! Oh, cool! That was cool!
Hey, Marcel, check it out. A lot of scrap metal weight here, eh? What do you think?
Oh, you should send it through one of those.
Oh! Oh, that would be a cool video. Good idea. Hey, what the hell are you doing in there?
I don't know.
I can bring it up.
Come on out. Yes! Hey, that's cool as hell, buddy. That is freaking sweet.
I just wanted to try like a slow.
Way to strand it. Well, at least we got a little mountain climber with us to go up there and get it. Yeah, spin it under. It's okay, you won't do it anymore.
Thanks, Brianna.
Nice. Oh, sweet. What's on the other side? Backwards jump. Yes. Oh! Hey, nice.
Oh yeah, she's done. Listen to it. Oh, it didn't do it this time.
Oh, yeah, you can the RC. Oh, listen to that, eh? He's off-roading with a broken RC.
Oh, I blew a servo. That's
What the hell? Alrighty, guys. Well, looks like we're gonna head her back.
Yeah, it's
But,
just servo.
We had a good day here. It was pretty cool. A lot of stuff happened off camera as well, but the stuff that did was pretty cool that happened on camera. So,
Right on.
right on, man. Here we go. Off we go. Thanks a lot, buddy.
No problem.
Everybody, if you want to check out some insane friggin' RC bashing videos, check this guy's channel out. Fantastic editing. Big time. Oh yeah, airplanes too. Right on, buddy. Have a good one.
Well, guys,
See, here, check this out. This apparently is a regular occurrence with every time he comes out.
Yep.
He just brings them home and fixes them up and brings them back out again. Here we go. Oh!
Oh yeah, that sounds awesome. Gotta look forward to something like that, eh? Oh. No, what it is the spur gear is shattered, so.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.